Hello, hoping our last video was helpful to everyone. We have done a rebuilding of Bayliner 135 HP 3 liter engine a while ago. Now we can see how we have done it. Before that, please subscribe our channel and support us for more videos related to engine troubles. Thank you. Actually, dilution has happened in this engine, which means salt water is completely mixed with the engine oil. And also it got rusty. See, these all are the parts, we can see it. Cylinders, see, you can see the starter motor. This is the condition, sorry, this was the condition. Hydraulic trim pump, stern drive. After removing the head, we can see the cylinder block. Then removing the sump, we can see the crankshaft and all bearings got rusty. Now we can see the piston sleeve here. See the crack. The crack is vertically going downwards here. So we need to shift the engine to an engineering workshop to remove the sleeve. See, you can see everything got rusty over here due to the dilution. These cracks mostly happens due to the ignition timing and even backfiring. So now we are going to shift the engine to workshop. Now the workshopman is removing the sleeve. See, you can see the sleeve has completely damaged. It's a piston sleeve actually. Now you can see the cylinder block over here. The dilution has happened the way to the engine by this way. After overhauling, we are trying to start engine for first time.